هلا نحن على الطريق رايحين لنصور التوتوريال مع آريل. بعرف آريل عن الانستغرام، بعرف انه is a very professional makeup artist. عنده هيك شيء خاص فيه لإله بالكومبلكشن، بتحسي انه في ميك اب at the same time ما في ميك اب، وهيدا الشيء very challenging. I'm very excited شوف التكنيك اللي بيستعملها هو و to take some tips أكيد. هلا رح اهري أسئلة حرام.
I'm just excited to meet Nadine. She's such a beautiful girl, and I mean today we're going to be focusing on her beautiful skin and complexion and just like really perfecting her skin on camera.
How are you?
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
so happy to meet you.
I know, I can't wait.
Let's go, let's go.
My signature makeup is 90s glamour. My makeup has this like cool edge to it. It's still really young and fresh, but it also has that really pretty like glam aspect to it. We're using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade Y405. And I'm going to mix a little bit of Y445, just for a little bit more depth and color.
The color is perfect, huh? Mm-hmm. It's matching exactly my body.
The great thing about this foundation is that I think Nadine can agree, like it doesn't feel like you have much on your skin.
Exactly.
But it still gives you that benefit of covering everything that you need. Mm-hmm. We are now moving on to highlight using concealer. What I love about this concealer is how thin and invisible it is, but it still gives you that beautiful coverage that we all want. I chose these colors because Nadine has a very olive complexion, and it's important that we keep the colors in that same tone. Mm-hmm. What I like about this concealer is it gives you time to apply the concealer and still be able to blend it. It doesn't dry immediately.
It doesn't crack.
And that's really important to me because it gives you, you know, time to manage and maneuver the concealer as you need. So I framed the face, kind of creating a halo so that the center of the face stays beautiful and light, and then you have this dark contrast bringing in the face. But does it feel heavy to you?
At all, I don't feel it.
You know what's amazing about this cream formula?
And I feel natural and soft at the same time.
So now we're gonna use the Makeup Forever Light Velvet Air Setting Mist. This gives the skin like that nice matte velvety look. We wanna make sure that the skin looks nice and matte and refreshed at all times throughout the day, without it looking too dry, you know? Like your skin still looks nice and natural and youthful and pretty. Our complexion is epic.
Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. Inshallah in November, me and Ariel will be in Sephora Dubai for a nice meet and greet.
See you ladies in Sephora Dubai Mall in November.
Ciao.